Hi my beautiful mysteries! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a wet smoky eye. This was really popular a while back and it's not really trending right now, but I still want to do it anyway. I saw it in Gabby Hanna's Honestly video and I saw Glam & Gore did a video on it and I just love it, so here we go. I am going to start with the eyes first because I'm going to be using black. There's probably going to be a lot of fallout. I am a base then eyes kind of person, but it's probably better to do it eyes first this time. Okay, so first priming my lids with my NYX Eye Shadow Base and a concealer brush. I'm just going to be placing that on my lids. Okay, I made a mistake. Before you prime, put a piece of tape down on your eyes to make your smoky eye look pointed. Give it a sharp edge, and how you do it is you extend it from the lower lash line outwards, and you can make the point in any way you want. I'd say close to the end of your eyebrow. Okay, once your tape is down, take your eyeshadow primer and make it more pointed. Okay, moving on to eyeshadow, I'm taking my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette and dipping into a color I cannot pronounce. I will be putting the name of it on the screen. I'm taking a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm putting it all over my lids. Okay. Done with the brown, now I'm going to be moving on to black. For that, I'm going to need my Zodiac palette from BH Cosmetics because there is not a black in the Too Faced Bonbons palette. And taking the black color right here, right behind Aries. I'm going to do what I did with the brown color on my eyes, except I'm going to be making it slightly lower and really blending it. Okay, I chose the wrong brush. I'm choosing a smaller fluffy brush. I'm not used to that long type of brush just yet, but if you are, go ahead and use it. Okay, going back in with that long fluffy brush, now I'm going to be blending it. I'm going to dip into the brown color and I'm just going to see if I can diffuse it a little bit. Okay, this smoky eye has taken a wrong turn. It is up way too high, so I'm going to take my concealer and my concealer brush and I'm going to try and clean it up a little bit. I'm going to cut and hopefully when I come back it'll be fixed. Okay, I'm back. I don't know if I fixed it or not. I mean, it looks better to me. I may need to do some more blending before this video ends. And I also made a little change. Going back in with my Too Faced palette, I took the color Mocha and I changed it from the color I can't pronounce. And I just took another brush and I just blended it all around the top edge. So I guess you could skip the first part, or at least replace it with Mocha. And now for the second part, to make it look wet. Going back in with the Zodiac palette, and with a flat brush, I'm going in with the color Gemini. I'm not sure if it's white or silver. It looks silver, so I'm gonna go with it. And before I do that, I am taking my setting spray and I'm just gonna wet the brush a little bit. And I'm just putting it down the middle of my eye. And I'm really going ham with this. Okay, after you're done making your eyes look wet, you just take your fluffy brush and with the brown color and the black color going back and forth on the lower lash line to smoke that out. Okay, now I'm going to curl my lashes. And with my Benefit eyelash primer, I used this in my last video. It's a great primer. Done with the primer, and now I'm moving on to my mascara, my Too Faced Better Than Sex Limited Edition Diamond Collection Mascara. And I'm going to be applying generous coats. Okay, I am done with my eyes. I thought about doing lashes, but one, I'm not a lash girl, and two, I want the focus to be more on the wet and I want you to be able to actually see it like really clearly. So just stick with volumizing mascara. And now I'm going to be removing my tape to see the finished look. Ooh, that is a nice clean edge. And now the other side. And this whole thing down here on the sides here, don't worry about that. You're going to be fixing that with your base, which I'm doing now. I'm going to prime with my Benefit, the Pore-fessional. I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Vanilla, the concealer I used before, Kat Von D, and L3 Warm. And I'm going to do all of that off camera because it's all the same thing. It's all basically the same thing I've done in every other video. So I'm going to cut and I will be right back with my base mostly done. I still got to contour and stuff. And I will see you in a second. Okay, I'm back. I did everything. I did my base, I did my concealer, I set everything, and now I'm going to be moving on to bronzer. But before I get into the bronzer, I should tell you, I forgot, you're supposed to add black eyeliner to your waterline, and if you want, you can add some mascara to your bottom lashes. So taking my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzing powder, and with an angle brush, I'm tapping into that. Tap, 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 tap. Tapping off the excess, and I'm bronzing my cheekbones, my forehead, lightly on the sides of my temples, careful of your eyeshadow. And taking a fluffy brush, I'm tapping into that, and underneath my lip, and the sides of my nose. Okay, moving on to blush, I'm taking my usual Laura Geller Baked Blush-N-Brighten in Pink Buttercream. Okay, moving on to highlighters, I'm using two different ones. I'm using my Cover FX Celestial Highlighting Drops and my I Heart Revolution Rose Gold Glow Mini Highlighting Palette. These are both excellent highlighters for pale skin. And I'm just going to put this one on my cheekbones, and I'm going to use this to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, my brow bone, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. I'm going to skip my forehead. I always skip the forehead, I don't know why. And now with the brush, I'm going to go into my Rose Gold Highlighting Palette, and taking the little pink one right here, taking my pinky, doing the inner corners of my eyes, my brow bone, and before I do my cupid's bow, as always, I'm going to go in with my lip. I chose a nude lip color because that's what you usually do. You balance it out, sort of, and draw the attention up to your eyes instead of your lips. I'm taking my Too Faced Natural Nudes in Strip Search. And now that I'm done with my lips, I'm going to go back in with my brush and the same color I've been using. And you know what? I changed my mind. Yes, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to highlight my forehead a little. And moving on to my very last step, I'm going to be setting my face with my Too Faced 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And I'm done! Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, which is the little red dot in the corner. Give this video a thumbs up, and please share the video. And please stay a beautiful mystery. Bye!